Is that them already? Is Alec a zombie or no?
Alec? No, he's not on your team.
Okay.
Come guys, let's go. No. Yeah. Man, let's do some ribbon. Oh, whoa, hey guys.
Why don't you guys join Dalton and help him out?
Because he's too good. Because he's too good. Joel, you want me to come help you?
I shoot those two, and if you get hit, you're a zombie. You have unlimited lives. They have unlimited lives. Yeah.
It's like COD. They just never stop coming unless
Pretty much.
until you get hit. Yeah.
I'm tired.
I'm right there. To your right. Hey. What's that mofo? I like this idea. No, not everyone.
11 kills for their dogs.
Yeah.
All right.
Let's go, bud. Get this out, guys. Down.
Get it.
Fall back.
Whoa.
Cover. We're taking fire. Oh, I see it now. Woo.
Back in.
Whoa.
Dude, where's Sims at? I have no idea. Door down. Sims's hit, guys. Got him. Oh! I got him.
Yeah.
Now it's feeding.
Oh, I'm just gonna spray.
You got him, Dalton?
I got it. I'm up for a shot, but he doesn't give me one.
You see Coleman Manny?
Where are you?
Nice. Where's Sims there?
That's 3!
Semtex. We're all just chilling on that.
Hello.
Hey, Sims there. It's fast. Mine going okay, Benji?
Do you see anyone?
Why don't we fall back?
No, I just want to do that because that was cool.
This is so dumb because they're not going to get anywhere.
Yeah, but if you stay up here, they're giving them absolutely no chance to attack.
Yeah, no, so stay.
No, that's cheap, because they'll never have a chance to win, which defeats the purpose.
No, I said fall back.
Oh, okay.
Like, stay back there.
Oh, I thought you meant stay here.
Like,
I was like, that's a little cheap.
No, Dalton, all the way back. Just give them this area, I'll save them cover.
At least it'll be somewhat fair.
Oh man. Good, is he gun spawn or no?
Yeah. They're sacrificing themselves, Dalton.
Oh, Jesus, I thought he was over there. I gotta sacrifice myself now. My sprint sucked.
Where is he?
Get out of the way, Troy.
I'm down there.
Where is he?
Oh, hit.
Alex, where is he?
He was on the by the boiler.
There was by the boiler. Alright.
Are you hit?
Oh! Hit. Help.
Just watch the corner, please. I don't want you getting killed.
Hit! It was nice, whoever that was.
I'm hit, boys.
I'm hit.
Alex, that's not even move.
Still missed!
I saw them go right over your head.
What the hell, sir?
What a good hit.
Yeah, Adam's like.
Nate, what do you keep inside here? Just mulch?
I have no idea.
Well, I'm gonna crawl in it and reload, so.
Okay.
Oh, this is problematic. Better idea.
Fuck, that's the first time I died by that shot.
Come on, have a zombie attitude. Zombies don't feel exhaustion. 1, 2.
Dalton, I think I know what you're doing here.
Okay, back in.
Here, cover me.
I got a grenade ready, so.
Oh my god.
Everybody cover me.
Samsar, make a diversion.
You're all dead, grenade!
Oh, that was the fucking grenade.
Grenade? What?
There's still one up.
They all sprint up.
Grenade?
Surrender now, surrender. Safety.
They dead?
He's dead.
I'm really depressed
Why?
because I just got shot by my brother's gun. And it kind of hurt. Whew. Can I just spawn here?
No.
That's such a far walk. Can I just spawn here and then not walk down there and then count to like 30?
No.
Oh! Hit. Help. Perfect.
Safety kill.
Alright, I was already out.
Oh! My safety kill.
It's the effort that counts.